We're now ready to talk about whether the firm will earn a positive profit or suffer a negative or suffer economic loss, and whether the firm will produce output or would prefer to shut down in the short run. Profit is positive when price is greater than the minimum average total cost, and negative when price is less than the minimum average total cost. You've already learned that one formula for profit is the difference between price and average total cost multiplied by quantity. Therefore, if profit is greater than zero, then price is greater than average total cost, and if profit is less than zero, then price is less than average total cost. Let's use a figure I've got in my notes to examine the maximum profit for a perfect competitor for three different market prices: P1, P2, and P3. P1 is a price that's higher than the minimum average total cost. The height to point A shows me the minimum average total cost, and P1 is higher than that. When the market price is P1, the demand facing the firm will be the horizontal line D1. At that price, the maximum profit is greater than zero, and the firm maximizes its profit by producing the level of output that makes P1 equal to marginal cost. So when price is P1, the profit maximizing quantity will be Q1, and the firm's profit will be the area of the rectangle bounded by the green curve to that intersection, down to the blue curve, and over. It'll be the price, it'll be the profit per unit multiplied by the number of units. Profit will be positive because price is higher than average total cost. Now what happens when price is equal to P2? P2 is between the minimum average total cost and the minimum average variable cost. Since price is above the minimum average variable cost, the firm wants to produce the output that makes price and marginal revenue equal to marginal cost. So when price is P2, the profit maximizing quantity is Q2. However, at this price, P2 is less than the average variable cost the firm pays when it produces Q2. Therefore, average total cost is above price. That means the firm is suffering a loss. However, this loss that it suffers is less than the loss it would suffer if it shut down. Now let's look at what happens when price is P3. When price is P3, the demand is horizontal, D3. That price is below the minimum average variable cost. In that situation, the best thing for the firm to do is to shut down and produce zero. It will suffer a loss. Its loss equals its total fixed cost, but this loss is smaller than any loss it would suffer if it produced a positive amount of output. For example, if it produced Q3, the loss it suffers would be bigger than the average, bigger than the total fixed cost. You can read the notes to sort of verify all this stuff, but I've said it in words pretty well. You're now ready for your you're now ready to expand your understanding. Look at the questions in the expand your understanding section, work on it for yourself, and then compare your answers with my recorded answers.